I wanted to show you how to turn in assignments using Repl.it, as well as create a source code file that matches the name on the project. So I'm in Repl.it and I'm logged in, and I'm going to choose to make a new REPL, and I'm going to choose to write it in the Java language. I'm going to name my project, my REPL, Hello World. So REPL gives you a main.java class, main.java file, and a class that goes with it. I like my classes to be public, so I'm going to add public to the header. Now, as it runs now, it'll print Hello World, but I really would like to name this class something else. Well, Repl.it forces you to have a main class, a class called main in main.java. So if you would like uh, another class to be included in the project, you're going to have to do a little trick. So first of all, we have to create the additional source code file, and I will call it hello world.java. And this will give me an empty class. And I'm just going to paste in the program that I want. So this says public class hello world, and it has a main and a print line for hello Frisco. When I run the code, you'll see that it doesn't print hello Frisco, it prints hello world. And that's because the main.java class has a print statement that prints hello world. So what I need to do is I need to tell the main program to execute the code in my hello world.java file. So I am going to replace the contents of main with a call to the other class. Hello world is the name of my other class. With a dot, I want to execute the main method, and then I have to pass in a string array. So don't worry about what that is, but you can just type this. New space string, where string is capitalized, empty square brackets, and empty curly brackets inside of the parentheses after main with a semicolon. If you type that, then it will run the other class's main method. So here it will print hello Frisco, which is in the hello world.java file. I'd like to show you how to download your source code file and then to upload it to turn it into Canvas. So you have to download your code, and if you go to this three-dot menu in the Files pane, you have the option to download a zip. And it's going to download into your Downloads folder. You can click on this Show in Folder button to navigate to it, or you can open up your Files application and you can see it there. Now it's going to be in Downloads, and if you double click this, it should open up. If it doesn't open up by double clicking it, you can always open it by clicking this button on the left side. So you can see that it downloaded main.java, main.class, hello world.java, and hello world.class. But the one that I need to turn in is hello.java. That's the source code file. I'm going to navigate to Canvas, and I'm in a student view. So I'm going to go to where I would upload my assignment. So here is the assignment page, and at the top of the page is a Submit Assignment button. And that opens this file picker at the bottom. So I'm going to choose a file, and it's already opened Hello World, but remember, if you need to navigate to it, you can go to My Files and then to Downloads and then open up Hello World. And I would like to choose hello world.java, and you can see that it's ready to upload right here. I'm going to click Submit Assignment, and I can see that I have a timestamp, and I can see that the file that I've uploaded. So I hope this helps you work with Repl.it a little bit easier and develop a workflow for turning in assignments to Canvas.